Um, it was a collective effort from everyone. Whoever was inside, alam namin na maaasahan. And everyone really wanted to find a win for everyone.
Okay, I agree 100%. In my opinion, we played a very good game, especially the first set. It looks pretty determined, especially in the connection between Serb and Sayang. Then I have to admit that Chocomucho raised step by step the level, and especially in the finished part of the second set, they have made something great to win 28-26. We have done something great too on the third set. This is something that is really important for us because the last conference we lost a lot of games in what we call the photo finish. So in the finish 2 points. So it was super important for us to gain this. And then the last set, ball by ball, and then at the end the block scored a huge difference. So I think that there is many good things to bring with us. And some good indication that we gave from the yesterday third set and from the today's second set that we have to analyze in the next 2 weeks and bring with us.
Coach, last conference, it took the team 14 games to win 2 matches. Now you won your first 2 matches. What do you think changed for the team for this conference?
The thing that we change is we decided not to change anything. So we continue with the same philosophy. And so the system is the same. The girls are developing day by day. I feel a total trust, not only me, but in the technical staff itself, and in the girls when they watch themselves. So this is super important for me. I told them that this is something that I really need to have for me, and is not to stay in the Philippines and maybe coach an incredible team and win. I don't really care about win or lose. I have a long career, I won a lot, I lose a lot. I just really want to win and win you, girls. So that's what I really need and I really aim to.
Coach, yes, in games, she had 21 last yesterday, and then now she had 24 points. Can you talk about her performance for these 2 games?
No, she is super amazing, but I mean, I have been the one choosing her as first pickup, so I really had the possibility during the UAAP, like mentor coach in Adamson, to see all the girls and to select them not only about the technical stuff, but only about the way they play under pressure. And she showed to us, to every one of us, a huge leadership. So that's super important. In my opinion, she played better yesterday, like quality than today, especially at the end she was a little bit, with a little less patience. She wanted to finish the shot. But she's young, it's the first game that she's playing in the BBL, and she's collecting the last point within the serve. So, what to say, how she keeps scoring?
Kiara has struggled team for the past 2 conferences, but things are starting to look right. Tingin mo ito na yung turning point na hinihintay ng team para kumakapag sa conference?
Yeah, big factor din na nag-stay sa amin si coach kasi nga we just went through again the system and talagang this is a matter of trusting the process talaga. The team has been through a lot of changes, through a lot of difficulties together, and you know, day by day, slowly, game after game, we're regaining our confidence. We're able to show what we do in practice, and sobrang laking bagay na nandyan si coach palagi to help us in that.
Kiara we know it's just the pre-season, but how big it is na to win back-to-back games for Tuesday to start pre-season, how big it is for the confidence?
Definitely have confidence in Mr. kasi winning, it took a lot. It took a lot of time, it took a lot of effort, it took a lot of hard work for us to finally win. So, definitely, sobrang sarap sa feeling na manalo. Ganito pala ang feeling manalo. And we'll do more, we'll work harder para mas maganda pa ipakita namin sa